What's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Kayla, and on today's video I have for you part 2 of our Valentine's Day sugar cookies. In the first video, I showed you guys how to make the perfect sugar cookies that are not gonna spread out, that don't need to be chilled for a couple of hours and produce amazing results every single time. And on this video, I'm gonna show you how to decorate these heart-shaped sugar cookies for Valentine's Day so you can give them to that special someone in your life that you really wanna celebrate and tell them how much you love them. I will link, of course, the first video, how to make a perfect sugar cookie, down below in the description box. If you want to go take a look at that video beforehand, I'll also link down below in the description box the frosted snowman cookie video that I did about a month ago. It explains in that video how to make the royal icing that you're going to need for this recipe. It's really fast and easy and you won't regret it, especially when you create beautiful designs on top of your sugar cookies. So let's jump right into the video. The ingredients that you need to make these cookies are 1 batch of heart-shaped sugar cookies, red and pink sprinkles. I have Wilton's pink and red sanding sugar sprinkles. You need an etching tool, so I got this one from a cookie decorating set. You just need a pointed edge so you can poke the bubbles out of the icing. Plastic piping bags. You need 3 Wilton 3 piping tips, pink and red food coloring, 1 batch of royal icing, and I have left 1 color white, 1 pink, and then made 1 a lighter pink color. All right, for the first kind of cookie, you're going to take the white piping bag and you're just going to outline the cookie and fill it in white. This is where the bigger tip does end up coming in handy because you have to fill everything with white and then make sure that it is good to go. Okay, so when it's mostly filled in, you're going to pick up the cookie and just give it a few taps, kind of shake it out a bit. And then with the pointer tool, if you want to fill in the spaces. And then I'm going to take the 1 pink color and you're just going to lightly drop some polka dots in here. You do have to act rather quickly because you don't want the icing to start drying, because that will not look good. Okay, so once you're done with the polka dots, you're just going to tap the cookie out here. And I know, don't my hands look ridiculous? I have a bunch of pink dye on them now. Okay, but when you're done, there you go. That's the first kind of cookie. Doesn't it look adorable? Just a bunch of polka dots. All right, for the next one, we're going to do just some simple hearts. So I'm gonna do the pink again, and this time I'm gonna outline the cookie in this pink color. Perfect. Tap it out again. And then with the darker pink color, you're going to again put a bunch of dots. I like to do it kind of in a little pattern. So what you're going to do next is tap it. Again, you're going to take your pointer tool and you're going to start at the top of one of the circles on the cookie and you're just going to pull down. See at the bottom here where it's ruching? That means I have taken too long to put this design in because it has started to dry. But you could kind of tap it out and see if it'll come out. I'm gonna outline in white. All right, so you're gonna tap that one. I'm gonna bring out some over here. Okay, tap it out. I'm gonna take the dark pink again. I'm gonna move a little quicker this time. And make sure your pointer tool is clean. pull it through. Much nicer. Look at that. Beautiful. That looks beautiful. I'm gonna do this on a small one now, because I'll show you a different way to put the hearts. So I'm gonna outline this with a darker color. Okay. What I'm gonna do with this one is just put the dots actually around the border, like so. Okay. And starting on one end, I'm gonna start on this side. I'm gonna pull it through and then just continue to pull it through, turning the cookie so the hearts follow the same shape. Go. And then it joins at the last one. Look how beautiful that looks. Doesn't that look gorgeous? The vibrant pink, the white. Oh, it looks amazing. The next cookie I'm gonna color white. Perfect. And what you're gonna do is you're gonna take the dark pink and you're just gonna make a couple lines from one end to the other, trying to be as careful as possible not to put too much on one side. Okay, like so. And then you're gonna take the light pink and you're gonna do the same thing. Just put it here, here, and here. And what you're going to do is you're gonna take your pointer tool and you're just gonna go back and forth like so. Okay, so you're gonna go down and then wipe it off. Go up, wipe it off, down, up, and down. Tap it so that the edges here get fixed. And then look how amazing that cookie looks. Doesn't it look incredible? All right, for the next one, I'm going to take this pink color. I'm just gonna trace around. And then I'm actually going to put some sprinkles on this one. So I'm taking the red sprinkles, just sprinkling them on top. Just nice and even. And I'm just gonna let that one sit for a few minutes, okay? While we're doing that, I'm going to show you guys the heart one again. Just moving these sprinkles out of the way. This time I'm going to outline the heart in this darker pink color. And then I'm gonna take the white and just put a few dots. And then instead of connecting them, I'm just gonna do one by one. All right, look how beautiful that one looks. Now we're gonna go back to this one cookie here and I'm gonna take the same color that I used to outline it and I'm just gonna write love on top. You can just write love on top. You can just put the sprinkles, do whatever you want. They look super cute. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you did like this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any new videos, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye!